In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto or how you can sell crypto with Binance P2P. You get Binance P2P is a feature, a very important feature in Binance that actually offers people the opportunity to actually purchase cryptocurrency or sell cryptocurrency to merchants. You get, and you can buy crypto with the normal normal USDT rate. You get, so it is very real and it is very legit. You get. So I'll teach you how you can do this in this particular video. Okay, how to do this: if you log into your Binance in the first place, like open your Binance the home page, this is what you're going to see. You get, this is the home page, and this is what you're going to see. All you have to do is to click on this particular place right here. Once you hit on that, then you're going to see this place that says Binance P2P right here. We just look for the P2P sign. On my own, it is shown here. Just need to click on this P2P. So on this P2P session, this is P2P session, as you can see right here. You can see P2P right here. This P2P, you have the buy session and the sell session. Get, this is the sell session if you have any cryptocurrency you want to sell, and this is the buy session if you have any cryptocurrency you want to buy. And they have if you hit on this drop down menu right here. Okay, I don't know why it's not drop it down. Okay, if you hit on it right here, you can see that there are a lot of coins you can buy and sell on P2P accounts. Sell USDT, you can sell BTC, BNB, Ethereum, Naira, and so. These are the cryptocurrency you can buy or you can sell with Binance P2P. Okay, right now I fix mine on USDT, meaning either I'm buying USDT or you're selling USDT. If you want to buy BNB, just put it on BNB. If you want to buy USDT on anyone, just put it on it. Okay, I put it on USDT because most times what I do on P2P is either I'm buying USDT or I'm selling USDT. Okay, so for you to actually sell USDT, buy USDT or sell USDT on P2P, okay, let's go with the buying USDT first. If you want to buy USDT with Binance P2P, it's very simple. You have to click on this place that says the amount right here. So type the amount of USDT you want to buy. You get, okay, let's say I want to buy USDT worth 10,000 naira. So you just have to type 10,000 naira on this particular place. You get, click on the confirm button. So it's going to load. So these are people that want to sell USDT between 5,000 to 15,000 naira. This one 150,000. This one wants to sell between 10,000 to 20. It's all these people want to sell USDT between 10,000 naira. You get, able to sell USDT worth 10,000 naira for you. You get, because you want to buy. So other things for you to check is actually for you to check the percentage completion. You get, there are a lot of scammers on P2P. You get, you need to look for those people that have had a lot of trades. You get, and that they have a lot of good positive review. You can see this particular person right now. It has 2,767 trade and 99% completion. Meaning this person is actually real. It has done a lot of transaction on P2P. Meaning it is nice to do business with him because it is real. You also have this person that has 100% completion. These kind of people are the best people for you to trade with. You get, these people that has done a lot of trade and their percentage completion is from 80 to 100. You get, so okay, other things for you to consider before trading somebody is actually the price. You get, as you can see, this particular person is willing to sell USDT for you at the rate of 1,223.98. This one is at 1,299.98, and this one is 1,024. You get, so you just look for the price that you want to buy. You get, these particular ones I think are a bit lower. You get, and also you can try to actually check here right now. You can click on this place. This place is a filter button. Let's go together. This place is a filter button. If you click on this filter button right now, you can set on charts. There are people called verified merchants, people that have done a lot of trade on P2P or Binance, and Binance are verified them, like I've given that bad verification bad that these people are real and legit. You need to turn it off. If you turn it off, you're going to see people right here probably to sell for you at a way lower rate. You get, able to sell USDT for you at a way lower rate. You get, the verified merchant would like to sell for you at a higher rate. You get, because they'll be verified, they'll be trustworthy. You get, so you can also buy from people who are not verified. Then what you should need to check for is you should buy for people that they have that, though they are not verified, they are also real and legit. You get, those that are not getting the verification back. Then what you need to check before buying for people who are not verified is their percentage completion and number of trades they have done. You can see this Mr. White right here, which is the first person right here. Mr. White has done 199 trades and the percentage completion is 100, meaning out of the 199 trades that people have done with it, it has done everything. He has done transaction with it without any issue. 109 people have bought USD for him and he successfully sold the USD to them without any complication. We have this Judeness exchange. This particular person has done completion of 95.4%. These people are actually real and legit to get. Okay, before you buy, let's say you want to buy the 10,000 worth of USD for this Mr. White because you see that this percentage completion is actually 100%. You get this shows that it's legit. You have to click on the name to Mr. White so that you can check the reviews you get. As you can see, in the last 30 days, the guy has done 199 transactions and 100% completion. And if you check the number of positive reviews, positive reviews that the guy has is 141, and negative review is just 41, which is actually good to get. So if you check the next guy right here, Jude Nice Exchange, who has done 266 trades in the last 30 days. Okay, this Jude guy has also it has 155 positive reviews and 6 negative reviews. You get these are what you check for: the percentage completion, number of positive and negative reviews you get. So these people are actually good to trade in the sense that the number of positive reviews is higher than the number of negative reviews, and the number of percentage completion they have done is actually way higher. And also, if you want to buy crypto from these particular people, you should buy crypto people who are online. So that's why you have to check their name and check what you can see right there that it is showing online. I mean, this guy is online. Once you initiate the transaction, you send the money. The guy is online to release your cryptocurrency for you. You understand? So okay. If you want to buy right now, let's say these two guys are actually good. You get. There are also more people who are also good that you can buy for. Like this case, also has 100% completion. Any of them, you can choose from any of them depending on the price they are now selling. You have to buy from people who wants to sell at a lower price. You get. So just click on the buy right now. Once you click on the buy, the amount you want to buy, you get. You say you want to buy at the rate. You want to buy 4,000. This one limit is 4,000 to 12,000. Let's say okay. Maximum quantity. Let's just go. Let me put the amount again. The amount was 10,000 confirm. Okay. So let's buy from this particular guy. This guy has no necessary trades. Let's go to this particular one. 984 trades and completion is 999. Let's buy from this particular one. So let's hit on the buy button, and the amount you want to buy is 10,000 naira. You get. So 10,000 naira. Hit on the buy USDT. If you hit on the buy USDT like this, it's going to take to this next page right here. You are going to see that they're going to tell you you should make payment. You are buying. You should make payments. If you make payment to the seller address will be given to you. I don't want to buy right now though, but I don't want to buy. I just want to show you an example because I'm canceling it anytime. So if I click on make payment right now, you're going to see this. Look at the person's account number right here. The person's bank details. You get this is the person's bank details right here. You can see the person bank name, account number, the person bank name, this is the name. So you have to go and make transaction this person's account. Get copy the account number, send the money, the 10,000 person account. Once you have sent it, then you click on transfer notify seller. Once you've done that, the person will receive the notification that you have made the transaction. The person have to confirm the money has landed in his account. When the person has received the money, all you need to do is to do what? The person will just have to release it to take Binance that you have received the money, release crypto. Once you release the crypto, the money is going to land on your account. But right now, I'm going to cancel the trade because I don't want to buy. Okay, just click on cancel order because I don't want to cancel. Let's say I should give reasons why I cancel, and you can give any reason. Let me just do to other reasons. I don't cancel. I don't want to trade anymore. I have not paid the seller and I have not. You have to check this. You get click on confirm cancellation. So as you can see that now I've cancelled the transaction because I don't want to buy. So that is the best way on how you can actually buy crypto on P2P. Okay, that is the best way you can actually buy crypto on P2P. So I've talked about how to buy cryptocurrency with Binance P2P. Let's talk about how to sell. Okay, selling cryptocurrency with Binance P2P is quite the same thing as buying, just the difference. Just to click on the sell button right now. Okay, guys, meanwhile, if you find this video helpful, I'll do to like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you have not yet. Okay, so once you're on the sell page right now, what you need to look at, so first thing to do is for you to type the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. You get, okay, and you just come here and choose the amount of cryptocurrency to the amount of USDT, or if it is BNB. Okay, I think I have some BNB, so BNB will be good enough for me to use to make example right now. So okay, I have some BNB. Let me just click on BNB. Okay. First of all, you need to type the amount of BNB you want to sell. Okay, if for example I want to sell 5,000 naira BNB, you get, I'll say 5,000 BNB. Just put type 5,000 naira. Hit on the confirm button. As you can see, they're going to show you different merchants are able to sell cryptocurrency within the limit of 5,000 naira to any amount you like. You get, okay. As you can see right here, we have this particular YBN. Well, you know what to check for: percentage completion and the number of trade. You get, this particular guy is actually good to sell the BNB for, but then you want to sell at a high rate. Or look at people who is going to sell for you at a high rate. You get this other person wants to sell 1 BNB at the rate of 388,975. Let me just use USDT for example so that you guys should understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so you want to sell USDT at the rate of 5,000, you get, and this particular person wants to sell 1 USDT at the rate of 1,222 naira 96 kobo, and this one to sell 1,222.35 kobo. So you just have to look for the ones who want to sell at a higher rate. For you to get higher rates, these are verified merchants. Again, verified merchants actually sell at a very lower rate. So you just need to click on this filter. Once you click on the filter, tap this, click on off this, and hit on the confirm. And once you do so, you're going to see this particular person want to sell at the rate of 255. You get, this one wants to sell at the rate of 1,228. You get, only for people who have done a lot of trade and basically you can see this particular person wants to sell at the rate of 255. He's going to pay you in airtime. You get, he'll send the money to you at airtime. Okay, and why this one is going to sell to you at as normal money. You get, so you should be very careful. You get, and also you can set to this particular person because the person has done 442 trades and 25% completion. If the percentage completion person has done is between 80 to 100, it's very good. So, like, they are good and they are legit, you can trade with them. You get, so just hit on the sell button, and once you hit on the sell button, you can scroll down and check the person's terms and conditions. Check the positive reviews. You can see, you can check the number of reviews they have. You get, it has 85 positive reviews and 1 negative reviews. You get, which means that the person is nice. You get, just have the amount you want to see right here. Well, right now you can see my balance is actually showing zeros. I mean, I don't have any USDT. You get, well, you can type the amount you want to see right here. Once you type the amount, select a payment method. You get, select a payment method, and you want to then hit on the sell USDT. Once I've done that, Binance is going to notify the person, and the person is going to transfer the money to you. You get, allow the person to transfer the money to you. The person transfer the money to you. Binance is going to transfer the money to you. You should wait and confirm that the money is in your bank account. You get, once you have seen the money in your bank account and you are very sure that the money has arrived in your bank account before you go there and release the coin. If you have not received the money, don't release the coin. So guys, basically this is how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency with Binance P2P. You get, so if you find this video helpful, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel. I also have a video on how you can spot scammers on Binance P2P. Okay, if you are interested in that, you can start to watch that particular video so that you should know how to spot scammers and you should avoid getting scammed with Binance P2P. So guys, thanks for watching. I'm about to subscribe and like this video.